Guys and girls, good morning. I hope you stay safe and healthy by the grace of Allah. Today, our topic word is why. Why is commonly spoken in English language to ask queries and questions. Now, we make a practice with the word why as such. You may see here on the whiteboard. Why are you late? Why are you late? I repeat it. Why are you late? Possible answers may be I got stuck in the traffic. I got stuck in the traffic. And you may see, why is the baby crying? Why is the baby crying is next query. And possible answers you may say, he probably needs feeding. He probably needs feeding. And you see, next query is, why are they shouting? Why are they shouting? They are asking for help. They are asking for help. Here you can see, why is she lazy? Why is she lazy? She is always slow in work. She is always slow in work is a possible answer. And next question is, why Tom's in a hurry? Why Tom's in a hurry? He may be getting late from office. The answer, you may say, he may be getting late from the office. Next one is, why are you so panic? Why are you so panic? And you can say, I doubt another spell of anxiety. I doubt another spell of anxiety. Why are you so panic? And possible answer may be, I doubt another spell of anxiety. Next query is, why is Saima angry with you? Why is Saima angry with you? Answer may be, she broke up with me. She broke up with me. That's why she is angry. She broke up with me. That's why she is angry. And you may see next query is, why is Robert getting funny? Why is Robert getting funny? And possible answers, he's just been in a disco. He's just been in a dance party. Next query is, why are the boys making a noise? Why are the boys making a noise? And answers, you may say, they are free now. They are free now. That's why they are making a noise. And the last query today is, why is Bell yarning? Why is Bell yarning? He is feeling sleepy. He is feeling sleeping. He is feeling sleeping. That's the answer. And guys and girls, you can make a practice with these short queries and questions used in spoken, and a good use of why, how to ask questions with the word of why, and we have seen the possible answers to these queries. I hope you will continue to make a lot of practice with these short queries and oral practice. You will speak them out in a proper sense and in a proper manner and in a proper accent. This way, by making a practice and rehearsal, you will be able to speak a good English. I wish you all the best. God bless you. Goodbye.